G'day, it's Aussie Mark again. Hey, you know how I'm sort of obsessed with this papercraft cardboard nonsense? Hence the hat and the models and things you've seen in my other videos. Even my dog's into it. Check this out. Hey Layla, what's this? Look, what's this? What is it? Look, what is it? What have I got? Oh, what's that? Good job. Take it away. Take it away. Take it away. Rip it up. 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 That's a girl. Rip it up. Rip that up. Rip it up now. Hurrah! Get into it. Woohoo! Go later. Yeah. That's it.